Honey, we just got the place spick and span.
I need this place spick and span.
I want them spick and span. I want those desks spick and span before anyone leaves.
I'm sure they left the spick and span.
Look at this place. It looks wonderful. All spick and span.
Spick and span.
Spick and span, ready for our first visitors.
Spick and span, yin and yang, arm and hammer, pork and beans.
Scrub the floor is spick and span. These little icky pieces up and it's, spick and span.
Voila! Spick and span.
Wow. Those windows are looking spick and span, kiddos.
Gotta make this place spick and span.
Candles, tablecloth, the whole 9 yards.
I want the whole 9 yards. I want you.
Apples, pig on the spit, whole 9 yards.
Rented Bentley, fake Rolex, the whole 9 yards.
Ski mask, flashlight, the whole 9 yards.
Some tiramisu, the whole 9 yards. Stolen dollar, the whole 9 yards.
Whole 9 yards.
Whole 9 yards.
It's the whole 9 yards.
Okay.
The whole 9 yards.
The whole 9 yards.
I mean, anyway, whole 9 yards. 9 yards of what?
Yeah, jacuzzi, the whole 9 yards.
The whole 9 yards.
Calling dogs, helicopters, the whole 9 yards.
I want to hit the ground
Running. But right now, my...
Hit the ground running.
What? I have to hit the ground running.
I want him to hit the ground running.
I want to hit the ground running.
I'm gonna hit the ground running.
Fine.
Sounds like you hit the ground running.
Hit the ground running with my toy.
We kind of hit the ground.
Hit the ground running.
A piece of pecan pie, right?
Dying for a piece of pie.
Get a piece of pie?
I'll have a piece of pie.
This is gonna be a piece of the pie.
Talk to Leslie. You deserve a piece of the pie.
The only way any one of us is going to get a piece of the pie.
They finally got a piece of the pie.
Want a piece of pie?
You see, your piece of the pie just got a little smaller.
A piece of pie.
They don't have pie.
All right, throw in the towel.
Throw in the towel.
Throwing in the towel?
When do you throw in the towel?
You want to throw in the towel?
On
the towel.
Yeah, by throwing in the towel.
He's talking about throwing in the towel. If we're gonna throw in the towel.
I'm considering throwing in the towel.
I'm throwing in the towel. I'm throwing in the towel.
Mom, that's doing the towel.
She's throwing in the towel.
They're throwing in the towel. Throw in the towel now,
What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, no, it's up to me. No one can say what